Hello my friends. As of the filming of this video, I just surpassed 60,000 subscribers on this platform, and I would like to thank each and every one of you. I have a lot of really loyal followers out there, and it's all because of you. So thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Applebee's Asian-inspired chicken salad. It's crispy breaded chicken tenders, a bed of fresh Asian greens, crunchy noodles, and almonds tossed in an Oriental vinaigrette. I'm going to go ahead and replace the term Oriental vinaigrette with Asian-inspired vinaigrette. You know, because I'm just thinking that Applebee's is a little out of touch there, but whatever. They make a good chicken salad. I mean, what? And this also happens to be a recipe request from Linda, Diane, and Melissa. So ladies, enjoy your crispy chicken salad and enjoy the video. And we're gonna get into it right now. On a parchment-lined cookie sheet, toast 1/2 cup of slivered almonds in a preheated 300-degree oven. Toss the almonds frequently to ensure that they don't burn. Once the almonds begin to smell fragrant and get lightly toasted, remove them immediately from the oven and place them aside to cool. In a mini blender, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 4 teaspoons of roasted sesame oil, a pinch of kosher salt, and 3 cranks of cracked black pepper, and blend until well incorporated. So now that the almonds are toasted and the dressing is done and in the fridge, it's time to get the crispy chicken tenders ready. So in the first container, you want to whisk 3 eggs and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And then in the second container, you want to crumble up 2 cups of cornflakes. Leave a little bit of texture in the crushed cornflakes. You don't want the cornflakes to be like powdery or pulverized. Season the cornflakes with some salt and some cracked black pepper. Take 4 chicken breast tenders, wash it in the egg wash, coat it in the cornflake crispy, back to the egg wash, and back to the crispy. I'm going to shallow fry these chicken tenders. So in a large saute pan and on a very high heat, add about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of your fry oil. Once the oil reaches a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, drop the coated chicken into the oil, 2 chicken tenders at a time so as not to overcrowd the oil. Fry the chicken tenders about 4 minutes per side or until the chicken has an internal temperature of 165 degrees and the cornflake coating is nice and crispy and golden brown. Remove it from the fry oil and place it on a drainage rack to rest. Now this recipe makes 2 very large entree-sized salads, or of course 4 smaller ones. But first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself a very large salad mixing bowl. Add 4 cups of washed and chopped romaine lettuce, 2 cups of washed and chopped napa cabbage, 1 1/2 cups of red cabbage thinly sliced, 3/4 cup of matchstick carrots, 1/2 cup of slivered scallions, green parts only, 1 cup of la choy chow mein noodles, and your toasted sliced almonds from before. Now take your chilled Asian-inspired dressing and drizzle it on top. Toss until all of the ingredients are well incorporated and properly dressed. You may or may not end up with any extra dressing. It just depends on your personal taste and how heavily dressed you like your salads. Slice your crispy chicken tenders into bite-sized pieces and just arrange on top. All right, yummers! All right, I want to try the salad with the dressing first. That's perfection. Now I'm going to try the crispy tender. And now I'm going to try the salad with a crispy tender. Oh God, this is going to be a big Okay, maybe I didn't cut my chicken in such bite-sized pieces. Or maybe I'm just a pig with terrible table manners. If you have a restaurant or a recipe that you would like me to feature in an upcoming episode, go ahead and drop it in the comments section below. But make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when your episode comes up, you'll be notified. Thank you all again for reaching 60,000 subscribers. It means an awful, awful lot to me. And I love y'all from the absolute bottom of my heart. Cheers. And for more delicious recipes from Applebee's, check out right here.